Hey everyone, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Very warm welcome to Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine and greetings of today. So in this video, quickly I'm going to introduce something very important that is coming at your doorsteps and which many of you I'm sure would be eagerly waiting for such program. Yes, we are launching a hands-on training and a workshop on bioinformatics courses. IABM in collaboration with the BioSoul, Dr. Amandeep Girdhar, we are launching a 10 days hands-on training and yes, a workshop at your doorsteps, completely online, exclusively online on bioinformatics. So please look into the description box. Those who are eagerly waiting to register for such a course, you will be getting all details about the course, about the modules, about the registration fee, payment, timing, and so on and so forth. And still, if you have further queries, you can contact us at the provided number in the description box, or you can also WhatsApp us, and you can also directly message us on Instagram, or you can comment here in this particular channel, IABM Space Online Bio. This is going to be a 10-day program. It's exclusive online and hands-on training, and at the end of the course, you would be getting an e-certificate. Not only that, but all participants would be able to perform all the practical techniques which is taught to you by yourself. You would get 100% confidence on working on these modules by yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Please look into the description box, click on the registration form and kindly register yourself for this golden opportunity to know on bioinformatics, because we all know that bioinformatics has become a very, very integral part of all the life science streams, irrespective of we being into botany or zoology or molecular biology, cell biology, or we are a microbiologist or we are into a biotechnology. Because genomics and proteomics are ruling the today's world, and learning bioinformatics is going to be a very important skill for shaping the career, getting into a job or getting into research laboratories, or for your any future endeavors. So please do register. But before I quit this video, let me introduce quickly what exactly these modules in this particular workshop are going to be. So we have 5 modules, as you can see in the description box. The module 1 is going to be like an introduction to bioinformatics theory and practical approaches on structural and sequence databases of both nucleotide database and protein databases. And module 2 is going to be on the practical aspects of sequence alignment, which includes Pavas alignment, BLAST, FASTA, multiple sequence alignment, including Clustal W. And your module 3 is going to include phylogenetic analysis and the methods of construction of a phylogenetic tree, which is a very important part of bioinformatics. And module 4, which is key important for all life science students, this module 4 is going to be on primer designing and gene prediction tools. And last but not the least, module 5 is going to include protein sequence predictions and protein sequence prediction, protein structure prediction, and homology modeling. And not only that, you're also going to get into a complete theoretical and practical insights into all these modules, whatever is given in the description box. So all these are going to be for just rupees 1050. Yes, 1050, which is a very affordable price to learn this many bioinformatic tools at your doorsteps. So all the very best. We are waiting for you here to register yourself and get into the class, and we would give you all the details by the registered email ID. And still, if you have further queries, please do contact us at 8788382033 or the other number which is given in the description box. So take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.